this is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this we're gonna show you how you can change or recover password of your custom email address in your iPage server. If you are client of iPage server and you forget your email address, remember or how you can recover or change that. Go to your iPage account, type your iPage, go into domain server, hit login to your hosting service in this case. So you should appear your email address, username and password. Hit login. So you are inside your domain system, so you have to go to the domain, which email address you want to change the password or recover. As communication, I want to do that. I hit this one. So here we go. In this you see here email, so I have to go, you see email account harry@oscommunication.com. Here you have manage. Hit manage button. Go here, these three dots. Here it says setting. In setting you see mail delivery, change password and delete account. So change password. So I put a new password and hit change password. So this is very easy way you can change the password or recover your password of your any custom email address to your iPage server. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.